Hi, this is a demonstration of Dairy Farm Manager Add Master Product section. So in this tutorial, we will see how we can add master products. So master products are those products that you make and you don't buy directly from the outside. So suppose you buy some base products and you mix them up, or you manufacture the master product from that. So that product which you make by yourself can be entered as a master product. So let's see how this works. So let's add a product name. So now we can also add image and the cost. So this is the cost at which you sell this product, and the description is optional. So after clicking submit, it allows you to choose the base products. So base products are those products which you use, which you buy from the market and which you use in making this product. So suppose in making this product you use some milk, some almonds, some other ingredients. So you can select that what amount of milk is used, what amount of almonds are used, and what amount of other ingredients are used, so that it will calculate the stock remaining when you sell each unit of this product. So suppose you sell 1 glass of this, it will also deduct the amount of milk and other ingredients used, and it will calculate the amount of stock you used, and you can check your stock remaining each time. So let's select a product name. Let's select milk first here. So you can search a particular product in this base product text box here and click on search. So after search, that product name appears in this list here, and you can now enter the quantity, because making 1 glass of this thing requires 300 ml of milk. So we will enter this. Since milk is measured in liters here, so we will enter 0.3 liters, which equals 300 ml, and we'll click on add. So as you can see, the base product used has been added here, and you can see which products you have selected already. So now let's add more products which are used in making this product here, and let's click on search. So if you keep it empty and click on search, it will show all your base products. So now let's select another product that is used in making this product. Suppose you used almonds, and since almonds are bought in kgs, so suppose 100 grams of almonds are used in this product in making 1 glass. So let's enter 0.1 kg, and let's click on add. So 0.1, then let's add sugar, because even sugar is used. So let's enter 0.05. Suppose 50 grams is used, so that's how we'll enter it. Let's click on add. So now also let's add some more base products that are used in making this. So let's add pista, and let's add quantity 100 grams, 0.1 kg, and let's click on add. So let's select one more product. So you can select any number of products that are used in making a master product, and after clicking add, that product is added. So each time you sell this product, the system will also calculate the number of resources you used in making this. So after you are done with adding all the products which are required for this particular master product, you can click on done. So after clicking on done, as you can see, the product has been successfully added into the system. So this is how the add master product system works. So let's try adding one more master product into the system. Let's add curd. Let's upload the photo. Let's enter the cost. Let's click on submit. So this is the cost per kg. So now let's enter the products used in making this product. So making of 1 kg requires making 1 kg of curd requires 1 liter milk. We will select milk here, and we will select the quantity. Since 1 liter is used, so we will select 1 year, and as you can see, it has been added there. So now let's select on done, and as you can see, the master product has been successfully added into the system. So this is how the add master product section of Dairy Farm Manager works. Thank you.